This 2019 Winnebago Adventurer 33C, sale pending as a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Winnebago is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Inspire Decor, honey glazed cherry cabinetry interior, sleeps 6, external shower, slideout, air conditioning, refrigerator, leveling jacks, awning, skylight, TV, self-contained, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear entertainment. This 2019 Winnebago Adventurer 33C, sale pending, is built on a F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.